Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. So today we will figure it out that how to find out the center point of a home through GeoGebra software, which is free. Then finding the degree of the house with Google Earth Pro, which is also free. And then we will learn how to use Vastu Chakra through layering those two previous things which we have figured out, through which we will be able to figuring out different directions of our home. So let's get started. So I will suggest you all to download the GeoGebra software, which you can find it from this link. And then you can download that software. I already have downloaded that software and installed it. So let's go to GeoGebra software now. So maximize it. And now I will make some changes here. So here is the clean slate now. Our next task is to bring our home layout. So I have taken a demo layout here. So I will use it today. So I will just simply drag this layout here in GeoGebra, and let's zoom in. If you scroll your mouse, you will find that the picture is getting zoomed. So you can see there are 2 points already there, point A and point B. So don't remove it. From here, I will go to the polygon and select the polygon here and start to point out our external walls of our home. You don't have to be super accurate. You can just go with the external walls, and that should be enough. And finish it through clicking on the point where we have started. So now you can see our whole polygon has been established. Now we need to put a formula to calculate the centroid of this home. So this is the formula bar, and just remember we need to use this polygon 1 variable within our formula. So if we start typing centroid, you can see it's already coming up here. So just select it and then start typing POLY1, so which is this variable. Now if you press enter, we will found that we have this polygon already marked, which is point O. So we don't need to show these points anymore. So let's quickly hide those. So in this image, you can see that we only have the center point of this home. So we can do two things. We can take a screenshot of it or take a export of this file. So if we go here and export that image, so now I'm saving my file. So if we go to our folder, we can see that our layout is ready. So we have found the center point of our home. Now our second task is to find the true north from Google Earth Pro. So let's go to Google Earth Pro. It's also free, you need to download it. And you can see I have already downloaded it. Now I will fire it up. And here it is. So let's put the address of that building or plot which you are looking for to do Vastu. So for me it's Tandul Road, West Impalli. Search. So it's searching. So here it is, you can see it. Now we need to make one major change. So go to tools and view, and then reset tilt and compass. So it will make the image more 2D so that you can take the measurement more accurately. So for example, let's take this is our home. So what we can do, so now you can see the north direction is showing in this way. So if you want to rotate that image, holding the control you can do it. And scroll your wheel. So when you press Ctrl and scroll your wheel, the image will start to rotate. So now we can see the north also moved. So from here we need to press 2 and take ruler. So here is a tool called line. It will come up and just try to be accurate with the edges of that home property. So I am taking the wall of this home. So now we can see it's 56.21 degree. So let's note it down. And up to this, for Google Earth, we don't need to do anything more. And as it is your home, so you know which edge of this wall will match with your layout of your home. So now we'll go to Canva. So it's also free web app. So let's create a design. So I want a whiteboard. So it's a plain whiteboard. Now what our main task is to bring our home layout in this canvas, which we have created through our GeoGebra software. So let's put it here, make it big. Okay, so if you want to make the image more clear, you can just crop it as well. So I'm cropping it through pulling the edge down. Okay, it's done. Now zoom a little bit. You can do zoom in and out from here as well. Bring it more center. Okay. So now our second task is to bring our Shakti Chakra is here. I will attach that Shakti Chakra in the description. You can download it from there as well. So let's go there. So this is my Shakti Chakra. So through pulling this corner, you can make it big and small, but by default it will show north always in this direction. When you will click on this picture, you will see a button over here. So when you are going to click on that button and start to drag up and down, you can see that image is rotating. So as per our Google map, our true north is in 56.28 degrees. So we will take 56 degrees here. So let's rotate it. Yes. And as per our home layout, we know the center point is here, the black dot, not the white one. Now drag that image to the center here, and we can also zoom it if we want through dragging the corner, and then put it back in that center point. And now this is our Shakti Chakra showing the different direction of our home. Now we got our different direction of our home. So you can zoom in and zoom out through pulling this scroll bar, and also take export of our image. So let's keep it by default size. And if we go to our download folder,
why don't we work here?
yes, here it our, so yes, here it is. So yes, here is our final image of our home with different direction. So when we are using Canva, we may face issue with the degree selection when it is more than 180 degree. So for example, let's go back to our Google Earth Pro, suppose now we want to get the degree of our home. So here north is showing in this direction. Go to the tools, go to the ruler. Okay, now hypothetically just think this is our home, and now we start the line from this wall to that wall, and you can see our degree is 329.58. so now we can consider it as 330 degree. Let's get back to our Canva. So let's little bit zoom out. So when we will start to rotate it, if you go up to 180, then you can start to see minus 180. So it's not going to show you the exact degree actually what we got from our Google Pro. So to resolve this, we need to do a little bit calculation here. So we need to subtract the degree what we have got from Google Earth Pro from 360. So if it is 360 minus our degree was 330, now you can see that it's a 30 degree. I am taking those round number for easier calculation, so you may have different degrees and you can quickly calculate that degree from here as well. So if we move our Shakti chakra, so we need to move it till minus 30 degree what we have got. We need to set it here 30 degree because the difference was 360 from 330 is 30, so 30 degree difference. But as it is beyond 180 degree, so that's why we need to calculate it accordingly. So it should be minus 30 degree here. So that's only thing you need to adjust in Canva if you are getting your true north degree more than 180 degree. Apart from that, everything will remain same. So thank you viewer for being with us. If you have any question, please drop your comments and ask me. I will try to clarify it. Till then, bye bye.